Dog always want to go with you when you leave for work. Left at home for extended hours, many dogs become bored and sad. Now there's the Go Bone, a new autonomous smart bone that interacts with your dog while you're away and also offers new ways to play when you're together. The Go Bone actually moves around the floor by itself, providing stimulus and satisfying your dog's natural desire to pursue prey. Its innovative software personalizes its movements for your pet based on its age, weight, breed, and play style. When you're home, you can use the Go Bone to entertain your dog when you're busy, tired, or during bad weather. It's also perfect for pet owners with small, tight living spaces. Not just a great toy for you and your dog, the Go Bone can help dogs confined to animal shelters by providing them with some much-needed fun and healthy activity. So if your dog, or hog, needs a playmate when you're not available, go get a Go Bone. Ever wondered what your pet was thinking or how it felt? The Keon, a new pet collar, may provide a new way for pets and their owners to communicate. Using unique algorithms, the Keon is claimed to be able to interpret your pet's needs. Its 9-axis accelerometer can determine if your pet is getting enough exercise and when it needs to rest. Temperature sensors can determine whether your pet is getting too hot or cold, or whether they're happy or in need of attention. The results are displayed on the Keon collar using embedded LEDs. If your pet is lost, you can track them using GPS with virtually worldwide coverage. If anyone finds them, the collar will display your contact information. Controlled through an app or the Keon base station, you'll be informed if your pet is outside a predetermined safe zone. For safety against loss and some possible insight into your pet's feelings, the Keon collar could be a great option. Remember the last time you tried to give your dog a bath? How did that work out? For many dog owners, it's a complete disaster. Check out the Wolf Washer 360, a new product designed to make washing your dog fun for you and your dog. With this clever device, you can wash any size dog in as little as 1 minute. Attached to your outdoor water hose, the Wolf Washer 360 adjusts to form a circle around your dog. Just add your choice of soap to the included container and attach it to the device. Adjust the circle around your dog and turn on the water. The soap is mixed into the water and is sprayed from multiple points around the Wolf Washer. Your dog receives a great all-around wash. The intensity of the spray can be adjusted to suit your dog's preference. The Wolf Washer 360 is quick and easy, and your dog is gonna love it.
We are Boxy Pet Homes, and we have something that's guaranteed to pique both you and your pet's interest. Did you know your pet might actually need a box? Introducing Boxy. It's a box, yes, but it's so much more. It's a home, a hiding place, a bed, a toy, and anything else your pet needs, including security and comfort. We love our pets. Each are important members of our family. When we brought our first kitten home, we looked high and low for something inexpensive, fun, and modern that matched our aesthetic and our pet's needs. After weeks of coming up short, we decided to make our own. With over a year of research and playing with our animals, we finally nailed it and found a renewable material to create more than 5 different functioning shapes. Inspired by traditional origami, each of our shapes fold into a fun, sturdy structure. Cats are solitary creatures and not known to problem solve. Hiding is a behavioral strategy to cope with changes and stressors. This is as true for cats in the wild as it is for those in your home. Only instead of retreating to treetops or caves for alone time, yours may find comfort in a box. A box, in this sense, becomes a safe zone, a place where sources of anxiety, hostility, and unwanted attention simply disappear. Here's the thing, not all cats are stressed all the time. Some just want to relax. Cats are most comfortable in temperatures 20 degrees higher than our own comfort levels. This explains why they enjoy curling up in small places or in the sunlight. Our boxes, made from corrugated cardboard, are great insulators that let your cat ball up and preserve body heat. In a lab study, sheltered cats with boxes got used to their new surroundings faster, were far less stressed early on, and were more interested in interacting with humans. By introducing your pet to its very own space, they'll reward you with more of their love and affection. And for the times they just want to play, or hide to plot their sneak attacks against the barbarians they live with and take over the world, they now have their own unique place to do so. Don't worry, we have something for our canine friends too. They have similar needs for insulated space, privacy, and somewhere to retreat. How many times have you told your pups to stay off the couch, or begged them not to jump on the bed? A place of their own is the solution. Boxy doesn't discriminate. Give one of our shapes a try for your other pets too. We're excited to share our story with you and invite you to become one of the first involved.
Hi, I'm Lex, founder of Boxy Pet Homes. We are so excited to share our project with the Kickstarter community. And with your help, we can bring a little more joy to our pets' lives. Back us today.